How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and I am sitting with Chris, Ron, and Matt visiting us. And we wanted to come out and have drinks today, celebrating with margaritas, as we like to do, to celebrate their last wholesale deal that just closed for $13,000. Congratulations, but you're not getting off that easy. I wanted you to tell them, if you can come a little closer in there, I wanted you to tell them first off, where did you get the deal from?
Velocity. Phone call from Velocity.
So that was direct mail through the Velocity program.
Yep.
And tell us about the deal.
It's a house in Norfolk that needs to be torn down. What?
Speak up.
A house in Norfolk that needs to be torn down. Bought it for $65,000 and we sold it for $78,000 like the next day. So we just closed. Great deal.
$13,000 profit from a direct mail lead. So we wanted to, I know we used to only celebrate their first deals, but Chris makes a point of we have to have margaritas for every deal. So we're here again. That's what we wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.